How to fix Snapchat camera not working problem. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat camera not working problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So guys, without wasting much more time, let's get started. So I'm going to show you some tricks here what you have to apply here. First of all, check out your internet connection whether it is well okay or not. So after that, if it is not working, then what do you need to do? You have to go to Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, go to App Store. And then here you just need to search for Snapchat, and then here make sure to update your Snapchat, and then you can check it out whether it is working or not. So if your camera is still not working, then no need to worry. What you need to do here, you have to go to your phone settings, and then after going to phone settings, scroll down, and then here you will find an option app management or install apps. So go to manage apps, and then here you can see the list of the application which has been installed to your phone. So here you have to search for Snapchat. So here you can see this is the Snapchat. So what you need to do, simply click on this force stop button here, and then click on force stop. You have to stop the first. Now you have to click on storage usage. Simply click on storage usage, and then click on clear cache, and as well as clear data. So if you're clicking clear data, remember your ID and password so that you can log in with your Snapchat again. So I'm not doing this. So if you want to do, you can do it, and then click on permission option. Make sure to allow the camera like this. So after this, you can check it out whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, no need to worry. I'm gonna show you the second again another tricks. Go to settings, go to software updates, and check whether your software is asking for an update or not. So guys, if your software is asking for an update, make sure to update your software, and then your problem will be solved. So guys, the last bonus tips, what you can do is you have to uninstall your Snapchat application. You have to uninstall your Snapchat application and then reinstall it, and then it will work for you. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.